Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful and small houses in Minecraft. We'll begin by establishing a compact footprint, perhaps a 5 by 5 block base, which is perfect for a cozy home. Thinking vertically is key. Building upwards allows you to add multiple levels, effectively doubling or even tripling your usable space without expanding horizontally. This approach helps you fit all essential rooms, like a bedroom, kitchen, and storage, into your charming, small design. Next, let's talk about materials. Choosing the right blocks is crucial for both beauty and functionality. Start with a primary block like oak planks for your main structure, and then select a contrasting accent such as stone bricks to add visual interest. Don't forget glass panes for windows. They let in natural light and make your small space feel much larger. Also, get creative with stairs and slabs for roofs, pathways, and intricate decorative touches. Now, let's optimize your interior layout. In a small house, every block counts, so design multifunctional areas. For example, combine your living space with your crafting station to save room. Choose compact furniture wisely. A single bed, a few chests, and a crafting table are often all you need. Consider clever, hidden storage solutions, like placing chests under trapdoors in the floor or discreetly behind a wall, to keep your home tidy and spacious. Finally, let's focus on the exterior and landscaping to complete your beautiful small home. Adding details like fences, lanterns, and flower pots instantly boosts curb appeal and makes your house feel more inviting. Create a small, charming garden or a winding pathway around your home using a variety of plant blocks and gravel. Even a tiny water feature or a small pond can add a tranquil, natural element, making your compact dwelling truly special.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.